no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kissed.
Hey y'all, so today I'm doing these passion twists in my hair. Normally I do my hair, you guys know, but I wanted to like feel like a luxury girl, you know. I wanted to get my hair done, but somebody was like, oh, I asked a stylist how much this would cost. She said $350 and you gotta bring your own hair. I said, bet. I'm doing it myself. So I got this hair off of Amazon. It comes in this type of pack. It's eight of these packs, and I think it was $40. 8 of this, and I think there's I'm gonna count it and let y'all know how much is in one pack. It's a number 4. So this is how my hair is parted. Let me show y'all. I parted my hair. I did the back. So let's get it. I'm going to use this EL braiding gel. Yo, I can't take this off, but it's BTL braiding gel. It's number 4. And this is how it comes separately. So it's 30 inches, by the way. Started as a braid, so I take 3 pieces. See, 1, 2, 3. I already started the braid, and in between, I put the hair in. So I start with like a feed in, and I braid at least 7 or 8 times. Braid 8 times, and then turn it into a twist. I'm twisting right over left. Right over left. And I get towards the ends of my hair, I get more gel and lather that in gel. If you need somewhere to be and you braiding your hair, you twisting your hair, make sure you have the top done. That's why I did the top first. Usually y'all know I start in the back. Start with the top first, and if you could do your sides, do your side and do the back. And then need to throw in a ponytail, just throw it in a ponytail, and then finish the middle later if you got somewhere to be. It is about butt length. So again, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. Can y'all see that? So twist this over. See, this is the first one. Twist it over, grab it with this finger, and then take the twist here and hook it on with that finger. See? And braid down 8 times or 7. And twist. Alright y'all, I'm not putting that Kanekalon this here in my mouth again. Look. I don't know if y'all can see, my lip is mad red. Yeah. Y'all, I'm tired. But this is how far I've gotten. This is done. I just have this left. That's it. With it. Twist. These are 30 inches. See that? Wrap me up, wrap me up.